The Morimoto 2Banger flush mount system is the perfect way to recess a set of compact LED pods into any flat surface. Whether you want to keep a clean profile on your steel bumper or align LED pods across your roof rack, our flush mount kit makes it easy. Each kit includes a set of angled shims that will allow for an install that projects light towards the ground, which is ideal for mounting flood beam pods high above the ground on roof racks. The components are powder coated with the same durable black finish as our pods, and the kit includes stainless steel hardware. In order to get this installed, you will need a center punch, a drill, a 7/32 drill bit, 1/4" drill bit, a cutoff wheel and Dremel, sandpaper or a metal file, 4mm hex driver, T10 Torx driver, T25 Torx driver if you're installing the angled mount. Safety glasses, gloves, and ear protection are strongly recommended. To install it, begin by mounting the flush mount faceplate onto the pod light. To do this, remove the 4 T10 Torx screws on the back of the pod. With the screws removed, remove the original faceplate and put the flush mounted faceplate in its place. Make sure the faceplate is right side up. Reinstall the 4 T10 Torx screws to secure the flush mount faceplate. If you're mounting with the wedge, your install will be a little bit different than this. The holes you will be drilling are in different locations, so keep that in mind. Secure your included flush mount template to your mounting surface. Mark the 12 crosshairs with the center punch. Remove the template from your mounting surface. Drill out 4 outer center punch marks with a 7/32 drill bit. Drill out the 8 inner center punch marks with a 1/4" drill bit. If need be, you can use a Sharpie to connect the dots of your inner drilled out holes. Using a small cutoff wheel, make a cut between the outer edges of the 1/4" holes you drilled. Once you've made your cuts, file and sand down any rough edges. Test fit your pod light in the cutout you've made and confirm the pods fit, and the mounting holes on the faceplate and mounting surface are aligned. Do any additional trimming if needed. With the pod held against your mounting surface, place one of your rear mounting brackets on the back side of your mounting surface and align it with the 2 holes, one on each side of the pod. Hand thread 2 of your long 4mm socket head screws into the holes. Repeat this on the other side. Tighten down the hardware using a 4mm hex bit until hand tight. Run your wiring and connect it to the pod. And that's all it takes to get your flush mount installed. To install the angle mount, begin by mounting the flush mount faceplate onto the 2Banger. To do this, remove the 4 T10 Torx screws on the back of the pod. With the screws removed, remove the original faceplate and put the flush mount faceplate in its place. Make sure to orient the flush mount plate right side up. Reinstall the 4 T10 Torx screws to secure the flush mount faceplate. Hand tighten until snug. Do not over tighten. Secure your included flush mount template to your mounting surface. Mark each of the 8 inner center marks and 4 outer center marks with a center punch. Remove the template from your mounting surface. Drill out the outer 4 center punch marks with a 7/32 drill bit. Then drill out the 8 inner center punch marks with a 1/4" drill bit. If you feel it'll help, you can use a Sharpie or paint marker to draw a line on the outer edge of the dots. Using a small cutoff wheel, connect the dots by making a cut between the outer edges of the 1/4" holes you drilled. Once you've made your cuts, file and sand down any rough edges. Your mounting surface is now ready for the pod to be mounted. Test fit your 2Banger in the cutout you've made and confirm the pod fits and the mounting holes on the faceplate and mounting surface are aligned. With the 2Banger held against your mounting surface, secure it using the supplied T10 Torx pan head screws with washers. Secure the angled wedge to the faceplate using 4 of the supplied short 4mm socket head screws. If your mounting surface is thicker than 3/16 or 5mm, use the supplied long 4mm socket head screws instead of the pan head screws. With your 2Banger mounted, run your wiring and connect it to the 2Banger. These products are designed, engineered, and tested in Atlanta, Georgia to meet and exceed the high expectations of Morimoto customers. Get yours at morimotolighting.com.